always find life in those old parts, Billy.
Guess they just need someone to believe in them.
That's my boy.
Oh, so heavy.
Billy, it's working!
Built it for you, Ma.
You're amazing. Mom, look! No more scrubbing. That right. What have you cooked up this time, Billy?
A washing machine. All we gotta do is load it and hit the switch.
Let's see it work. Here goes.
Billy, this is incredible! Oh, thank you.
Everyone's gonna have clean clothes in no time.